here. Okay, now if I run and compile this piece of code, what will be the output? Hello, hi. Okay, observe perfectly. Hello, hi. Getting? Hello, hi. Okay, and please give some space here so that you can see good output. Okay, observe hello, hi is the output. Okay, internally this one is happening. Getting, guys? Observe. Okay, observe. Okay, this is what? Immutable. Immutable means a simple thing. Immutable, it is not mute, it is immutable. Immutable means not adjusting. Getting? It is what? Not adjusting. Now just a minute, observe here. Let me take StringBuffer class object. Okay, observe here. Okay, StringBuffer class object, dead opposite to this one, meaning is it will not allow, right? It will allow. Getting? It will allow. Than that, nothing else. Okay, what is that? I am adjusting. I am adjusting person. Okay, I am an adaptable person. You can perform any changes in my memory, whatever you want. Okay, observe here. Okay, just a simple example, friends. Observe here. Observe this part. Now this part you have to observe a little. Okay, so take one StringBuffer object. Okay, public static void main. Okay, public static void main. Okay, this one class. Okay, public static void main string array. Now observe this part. Okay, string buffer. Getting? Buffer SB equals to new string buffer. Getting? What is this? Hello. Getting? Now what happens because of this instruction? When a object has been created, what happens? It's instance members being part of object. And still one more thing is available. What is that? All the instance members also will be available with object. We have gone across to proof. Without this, it will be somewhat difficult. Observe. Okay, now observe here. StringBuffer SB equals to new string buffer. Tell me what happens at memory. Getting? Observe. Okay, an object has been created. Think that value is the variable having this hello data. This is what? SB. That's it. Is it going to do any other thing other than this? JVM will do other than this representation at memory? Yes. What is that? All the instance methods of StringBuffer class will be available with this object. Getting? Will be available with this object. Getting? With this object. What are those methods? Means you are having append method. Okay, let me take append method. No need to worry. As part of StringBuffer class understanding, I will discuss each and every method of StringBuffer class. Okay, now you are having many instance methods available with this object. One among that method is append method. Getting? Return type is a StringBuffer. Getting? Object is the argument. Okay, having logic to add, that is extend the data, expand the data, adding data to existing object data. Getting? Adding data to existing object data. Getting? Existing object is having one data. To this data it will add some other data. Okay, observe here. Okay, that is the logic, and it will perform that adding where? Within the existing object. Why? This StringBuffer is what? Mutable. Mutable means adjusting. I can adjust. You can perform any changes within my memory. Okay, now observe here. Now let me call sb dot what is that? Append. Okay, sb dot append of hi. Getting? Now because of, observe here, okay, because of any method call, getting, at runtime. This is what? A method call. This method will execute at runtime because of any method call at runtime. Getting? If content of, that is the if data of object, observe here, okay, if data of object, what this append is doing, I'm having expanding, I'm having the changing behavior. Getting? This append is having which behavior? Changing behavior. This string buffer object is having which behavior? Adjusting behavior. In earlier case, non-adjusting, that is not adjusting. Now because of any method call at runtime, if the object data, that is existing object data, is changing means then the string buffer object will allow those changes. See, allowing, it is allow, and that is I am adjusting. Getting? You can do. Getting? I am an adaptable person. Okay, observe here. Okay, will allow these changes. Okay, changes within the existing object. Getting? That is what? Mutable, that is mutable, mutable class object. Okay, so if the object data, this method I am calling within this method, getting, within this method is having implementation as what? Changing the existing object data, adding data to existing object data. Now this string buffer will allow, getting, so it will allow those changes within the existing object only. Now this append method is being happy. Getting? So what happens here? No new object created, whereas in earlier case concat method is creating a new object. Here it is not creating that object. Okay, now if you call SOP of SB, observe here, along with this append you will have toString method association also. That method is having implementation to return this object data. Getting? Now think that what is SB? Internally JVM will call SB dot, what is that? ToString method. Getting, guys? Now SB dot ToString, this method will execute. It will give the data as what? Hello, hi. In earlier case it is giving just hello. Why? This in earlier case concat method creating this hello, hi within new object. Getting? Now here it is performing within the same object, but method names are changing. Internal functionality and everything is same, just a slight change. Okay, so here the output will be as what? Hello, hi. This is mutable, that is immutable and mutable, that is not adjusting and adjusting. Observe here. Okay, now let me compile and execute this one. You will get the output as what? Hello, hi. Okay, observe. Let me put that piece of code, just a minute. Okay, observe here what we have understood here. I have taken the string buffer class object. What happens because of this instance creation? There will be object creation with this argument as data to the object. Okay, and that one is referring with SB reference variable. Now along with this creation, does the object will have any other thing? Yes, it will have. What is that? All instance methods will available with that object. That is the proof here. We have gone across the proof. Getting? Now observe. Okay, now observe these methods within, among these methods of string buffer object corresponding class. Observe here, this A object corresponding class methods only will associate here. Okay, like that. String buffer object corresponding class is having many instance methods. One among that instance methods, I have taken append method. Okay, I have taken which method? Append method. Okay, now, and also I have taken toString method. Still many methods were there, guys. Okay, those will be available with object, those will be maintained by JVM within the object. Now observe this part. Now I'm calling because of runtime method call, getting on this object. SB is what? This object only, right? SB dot append, it is having the logic to change the data. Changing means what? It can be reducing, deleting, expanding the data. Okay, now what this string buffer is doing, okay, no issues, you can change the data, that is my memory data within my memory itself. I am an adjusting person, that is mutable person, so no issues, you can change this one, like that it is telling. So this method will do operations, it's changing, that is changing behaviors within this area, that is memory only. So to make that one understand what we are doing, we are accessing SB, getting, so it will give the output was hello. Why? Changing the data within its object, that is within its memory only, getting. So that is the mutable class object. Okay, so here you will get the hello as the hello hi as the output. Let us think this one within the class A and let it be in the scope of the class. Now let me compile and execute this part. Okay, observe, just a minute friends. Okay, observe, what is this? Let me take string buffer SB equals to new string buffer, what is that? Hello, getting. Now let me take SB dot append. Okay, SB dot append. Okay, now what is that? Put hi. Okay, put hi. Now call here SB. Now it will be as what? Hello hi, not just hello like our earlier case. Okay, observe this part and observe even the source code. This is what our immutable and mutable thing. Okay.